Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Wizard of Geology. Today we will discuss 8 MCQs with their explanation. So without delay, let's start our discussion video 9. First question. Arrange the following formation of the Gondwana supergroup in order of their decreasing age. So Raniganj formation, Barkar formation, Kulti formation, Karhavari formation. These all belongs to the lower Gondwana. Okay, so we have to arrange these formation in decreasing order. So first will come oldest. Which is oldest? That is Karhavari formation. Okay, then Barkar formation. After that Kulti formation. At last Raniganj formation, which is youngest. This is oldest. Okay, Kulti formation. This is barren major. No fossil is found here. Okay, so which is the right option? That is option D. 4 2 3 1. Okay, the correct sequence of planets in order of increasing surface temperature is, so we have to arrange the planets in increasing surface temperature. Generally we know as the distance from the sun increases, the temperature of the planets decreases. Okay, Saturn, Earth, Mars, Mercury, Neptune, Earth, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury, Uranus, Mars, Jupiter, Earth. The planet Venus is the hottest planet, okay, in our solar system, because Venus has very thick atmosphere, okay, very thick atmosphere. So it is the hottest planet in our solar system. So increasing surface temperature, so the lowest will be Neptune, then Earth, then Mercury, then Venus. Option B is the right answer. Okay, which of the following is associated with the plastic semi-solid nature of soil? Barotropy, Atterberg limit, baroclinicity, none of the above. The right answer is Atterberg limit, that is option B. What is Atterberg limit? Look here. Atterberg limits are the basic measure of critical water contents in the fine grained soil. Okay, look here, the water content increases. Okay, in this direction, the water content increases. This is solid state. This is semi-solid state. This is plastic state. This is liquid state. As the water content increases, it changes from shrinkage limit, plastic limit to liquid limit. Okay, so generally problems comes that find the plasticity index of soil. You have, it will be given liquid limit and plastic limit. So what is the plasticity index? That is liquid limit minus plastic limit. Okay, center of mass of earth moon system lies about dash kilometers below the earth's surface. 3000 kilometer, 4000 kilometer, 1700 kilometer, 2800 kilometer. The right answer is option C, that is 1700 kilometer below the earth's surface. If the question comes, the center of mass of earth and moon lies about dash kilometers from the center of the earth, then the answer will be 6370 minus 1700 is equal to 4670. Okay, this will be answer. This is the kilometer from center of earth. This is 1700 below the surface of earth. Okay, you have to careful, you have to read the question carefully. Okay, arrange the following in decreasing order of their emissivity. Okay, black body, gray body, white body. What is emissivity? The actual emitted radiation by a object divided by the total radiation by a black body. Okay, so black body has emissivity value is equal to 1. Gray body has emissivity is less than always 1. White body emissivity is 0. Why white body have emissivity is 0? Because it neither absorbs any radiation. So it will radiate no radiation. Okay, neither absorbs nor radiate. Okay, so in decreasing order of their emissivity, so first will be black body, then gray body, then white body. 1 2 3, that is option A is correct. What is the principle of parsimony in Pauling's rule of ionic structures? So sharing of edges or faces by coordinating polyhedra is unstable. The number of different components in a crystal tends to be small. The strength of an ionic bond is equal to ionic charge divided by coordination number. None of the above. The right answer is option B. That is, the number of different components in a crystal tends to be small. This is the fifth rule of Pauling's rule. Okay. Rule 1. What does this radius ratio principle say? Cation ion, cation and anion distances are equal to the sum of their effective ionic radii, and cation coordination numbers are determined by the ratio of cation to anionic radii. Okay, that is coordination number is defined by the radius of cation divided by radius of anion. Okay, that is radius ratio principle. What is electrostatic valency principle? That is rule 2. It indicates the strength of an ionic bond is equal to ionic charge divided by coordination number. What is that? This is rule 2. Okay, what is rule 3? Sharing of edges or faces by coordinating polyhedra is inherently unstable. That is rule 3. What is rule 4? What is rule 4? This is cations of high valency and small coordination number tend to not share anions with other cations. They don't share their anions with other cations because they have high valency and small coordination number. So they will not share their anions with other cations. Okay. And fifth rule, that is principle of parsimony. Ramgiri gold field is situated in which state? Odisha, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. The right answer is option C, that is Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Which of the following soil is found in cold climate? You have to find which is found in cold climate. So oxysol, gelisol, vertisol, aridisol. The right answer is option B, that is gelisol. What is oxysol? This is found in tropical forest area. Okay. Gelisol is cold area. Vertisol, this generally the contains fine clay materials mainly montmorillonite. Okay. Aridisol, this is found in dry climate area because dry climate area they generally contain CaCO3. This is calcium carbonate. They mark the beds in horizon. Okay, if this is CaCO3, it will mark a white band here, so you will easily find this is aridisol deposit. Okay, So thank you for watching our channel Wizard of Geology.